Bree, the Coupon Queen, and happy Thursday. I wanted to share with you guys the 7 CVS must-do deals starting next week. So there are a ton of amazing deals. The sneak peek ad did come out in our apps today, so you guys can go through and take a look at the ad again, because I know the quality of the one I posted was not the best. So I wanted to share with you guys the 7 must-do deals, as well as 2 different scenarios for the spend 30, get a $10 extra back. So there's some really good price points, some freebies, some money makers, which are always welcome. And you can get Huggies for $1.56 each. So super amazing deals. So let's go ahead and dive in. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you take a second and hit that subscribe button for me so you guys don't miss out on any of the top deals or money saving tips for the weeks ahead. So the first deal is on Revlon. If you go to the red box, we are getting a mystery coupon. So we won't know the exact value until Sunday when it prints, but they're usually $3. So I'm just going to be putting that in this transaction. So adjust your math accordingly if it is higher or lower. So what you would do, it is a limit of 6. So the deal that I put together, you'd buy 2 of the super luscious lipsticks. They're $8.49 each. You'd use the buy one, get one free coupon we're getting in the 1/5 insert, so the Sunday inserts. You would use that mystery CRT. Let's assume it's $3. Then if you have a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT, you're going to want to combine that as well. You would pay $2.49, get back a $4 extra buck. So final cost is free plus a $1.51 moneymaker. And this does count towards beauty. The next deal is a freebie for everyone. So the toothpaste is going to be on sale, the Optic White or the Colgate Total. The Max is included and the 2-in-1. They're all going to be $3.50 each. There are dollar coupons from the 1/5 inserts, or there's a dollar coupon for the Colgate Optic White on Colgate.com. So then you would use the $2.50 instant coupon that we're going to be getting printed at the red box. So this will print for everyone, even if you just signed up with your extra care card. So make sure you sign up today. If you sign up Sunday, I don't think it'll print for you. So definitely get there and sign up, or you can sign up on your app if you don't have an extra care card yet. So once you use that instant savings coupon, it's going to be completely free. So always nice to get some freebies to start off the new year, get some oral care for you guys. The next deal is on some all detergent, the packs or the liquid, or you can get the Snuggle dryer sheets, the 70 to 80 count. So they're all going to be on sale for $2.99. There are dollar off coupons in the 1/5 insert, or there were all coupons from coupons.com. Final cost is going to be $1.99. So there's no extra bucks, there's no limit or anything on this deal, so you can stock up as much as you want, just depending on the coupon limit. So make sure you read that when we get our coupons on Sunday. Some hair care for you guys, L'Oreal Elvive. We're going to be getting another instant coupon, $3 off 2 at the red box. So that will be printing for everyone as well. So the deal is you're going to pick up 2 for $8. So typically they're $4.99 each. So to get the deal, you do have to buy 2 of them. You would use that $3 instant coupon. Then you would use a 3 off 2 coupon that is digital, or it was on coupons.com as well. Final cost is just $2 for both, or $1 each. So really good price point for some shampoo and conditioner. And this as well counts towards beauty. Another hair care deal for you guys. There's a ton of hair care deals going on, so I will be posting more for my haul video that I will be doing on Sunday. So Dove is buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So they're on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So you would pick up either 2 shampoo, 2 conditioner, 1 of each, whatever you'd like to do. The 12 ounces are going to be $5.49 each. You're going to use a $3 off 2 coupon we're getting in Sunday inserts. Then you would use a 3 off 10 Dove CRT. You'd pay $4.98, get back that $2 extra buck. So final cost is just $1.49 each. So really excited about that. And this too counts towards beauty. So with all the deals that we're going to be doing, we should probably hit beauty 1 or 2 times based on all the different hair care deals and makeup deals. Tons and tons of makeup deals going on next week at CVS. So stay tuned for that. I will be posting all those deals in my Sunday haul video, as well as the transactions like usual, how I break it up, and how many times I will be hitting beauty. So Tide Simply, this is on the liquid, the 31 to 34 ounce, or the pods, 13 count. They're on sale $2.94. There is a $1 coupon that we're going to be getting. There's a digital version, or you can print one from pgeveryday.com. Final cost is just $1.94. This deal as well, you guys can be doing it as many times as you want. Just check your coupon limits. So this is the Clorox deal, the spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So I wanted to share this scenario with you guys. Super good price point for some cleaners. We are still in cold and flu season. So all the products are buy one, get one half off. So what you do is pick up 4 of the Clorox wipes, the 35 count. They are $4.29 at my store. Adjust your math accordingly if your store has a different price point. So the first one would be $4.29, the second one is $2.15. Then you'd pick up 2 of the Clorox bathroom sprays. They're $5.19. Second one would be $2.59. So the total for those products is $20.66. So we're just hitting that spend 20 threshold. The coupons you want to use is going to be 3 of the $1 off 2 Clorox coupons coming in our inserts. You would use 2 of the 3 off 10 cleaning supplies CRTs. The reason why you can use 2 is because we're spending $20, and the threshold we would need to use 2 of the $10, the 3 off 10 coupons, the CRTs, would be $20. So that works fine. We can use both of those spend CRTs. You would pay $11.66, get back a $5 extra back. So the final cost is $6.66 for 6 items, or $1.11 each. So definitely a good stock up price. The spend $20, get a $5 extra buck is a limit of 1 per card. So now let's get into some of the spend $30, get $10 extra buck scenarios. I have 2 scenarios for you guys. They're both really, really amazing deals. So the first one, you're going to pick up 1 of the Tide Liquid, it's 100 ounce. They're on sale again, $11.99. You're going to get 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps, the big 20 ounce bottles. They are buy one, get one free. I believe they're $1.99. That's what it was showing in online when I was looking at the price points for you guys. So again, if your store is different, just adjust the math accordingly. 2 of the Scott paper towels, they're 6 equals 9 rolls, so they're larger than the ones you would get at Walgreens. They're going to be $5.49 each on sale. Usually these go for about $10, so right there is a really good price point. 2 of the Kleenex wet wipes, and 2 of the Kleenex tissues. And those are both $3 for 2. So your total is going to be $30.96. Coupons we're going to want to use is a $3 Tide coupon from the P&G insert. If your region did not get the insert with the P&G products, you can print them one time from pgeveryday.com. Remember, those coupons do have a 24-hour expiration, so super quick turnaround time. So make sure you print it the day you're going to use it. Use 2 50-cent coupons from Kleenex.com or the 1-5 inserts. 2 50-cent coupons for the wet wipes from Kleenex.com. You would use 2 of the $2 off $8 toilet paper and facial tissue CRT, because we are going to be spending $10, $16, $17. So you'd be able to use that because 8 and 8 is 16. Then you would use a $3 off $12 laundry CRT, which would work because the Tide Liquid is $11.99, so that hits the 98% rule. You would pay $18.96, get back a $10 extra buck. Final cost is $8.96 for 9 items, or just 99 cents each. So really, really hot deal. You're getting a Tide Liquid 100 ounce, the super huge bottle, for just 99 cents. So I thought that was a really good deal for you guys, and pretty well rounded with the different products you guys would be getting. Scenario 2 is for the Huggies diapers. So they're on sale 2 for $20. Then you would buy 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps. They're $1.99, buy one, get one free. 1 of the Scott paper towels at $5.49. and 2 of the Kleenex wet wipes for $3. So total on this basket is going to be $30.48. The coupons we're going to want to use is 3 off 2 Huggies. There may be a digital available. Just check on Sunday when we get our digital coupons. Or there's going to be some in the 1-5 coupon inserts. We're going to use a 50-cent Scott coupon for the paper towels from Kleenex.com. 2 50-cent coupons for the wet wipes from Kleenex.com. We're going to use a $2 off $8 paper products and facial care CRT. We're spending $8.49, so that would work perfect. Then we're going to use either a 3 off 15 or 3 off 18 baby product CRT, whatever you guys may have. You're going to pay $20.98 out of pocket, get back a $10 extra buck. So final cost is $10.98 for 7 items, or just $1.56 each. So really, really hot deal. Diapers are super expensive, as we know, and you're going to be able to get them for $1.56. Now, keep in mind, we may not actually be paying, $20.98 out of pocket. I will put together my transactions and how we're going to roll our extra bucks to keep our out of pocket as low as possible. So you may be spending even less than $20 for all of these items. So stay tuned on Sunday for my CVS haul video, where I will post my printable breakdown with all the transactions that I do and in what order to keep our out-of-pocket as low as possible, because that is the name of the game. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.